In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the team field in Jira. If you want to assign work items to a specific team and make that information visible inside your Jira issues, this process is quite straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, we'll first make sure the team field is added to the right screens, and then we'll verify that it appears inside a project so you can start using it. To begin, go to Jira and look to the top right corner of the screen. Click the settings icon to open the administration options. From there, choose Work Items. This takes you into the area where Jira issue configuration is managed. Once you're in Work Items, click Fields. This is where you can view and manage the fields that are available across your Jira environment. Since we're specifically looking for the team field, use the search bar and type in Team. That will quickly filter the list so you don't have to scroll through everything manually. When the team field appears in the results, click the three-dot menu next to it. This opens a small action menu with additional options for that field. From that menu, click Add Field to Screen. This step is important because the field can exist in Jira, but if it hasn't been added to the relevant screens, users won't actually see it when viewing or editing issues. On the next page, select the checkbox for the screen or screens where you want the team field to appear. Make sure you choose the appropriate screen based on how your project is set up. After selecting the checkbox, click Update to save the change. Once the update is complete, go back. Now, we're going to confirm that the field is available in a project. Navigate back into Jira and select a project. After the project opens, choose an issue from the board or list. This is the item where you'll check whether the field is now available. Inside the issue, look for the team field. At this point, you should be able to click into that field and select the team you want to associate with the issue. If you can see the field and choose a team, then everything has been set up correctly. As a quick tip, if the team field still doesn't appear, double check that you added it to the correct screen used by that project and issue type. In Jira, screen settings can vary, so that's usually the reason when a field doesn't show up right away. And that's how to use the team field in Jira. Once it's added properly, it becomes much easier to organize ownership and keep work aligned with the right team.